Okay, guys. Let's start. Firstly, thank you everyone for coming. So what we'll do is we have a very short walkthrough of the product for first 15 minutes, and then we'll open the floor for discussion and the question answer so that we can take it up. Okay. So we have this is Q, an algorithm trading product. So what we are doing is we are simplifying the algorithm trading. Doing. But how are we doing is like we are solving the problem where 90% of users have it. If they want to go to algorithm trading, they need to know the coding. They need to have a high-end servers. They need to know where everything has to exist. And this is the one-stop solution for everyone. You can go to KU. It's so simplified. On a click, you can make the strategy. You can visualize your strategy, how it's performing in the historical data. You can optimize it. You can run on a live market with a virtual money, and then obviously deploy with the existing brokers and actually run an automated system out of it. So now I'll just walk through the product, how you can make the strategy, how you can run a backtest and everything. It will be very fast in the first session, and as on we keep on having our webinars, we'll go in detail of each and everything and give a more precise view of what we are doing and how are we doing it. Okay. So we have got to a beta version, so it's signed up for free right now. Anyone can go and sign it up. It's free right now. We would like you to take this opportunity to take this product, use this product, and give us a feedback. How can we help you and make your trading so simplified over here? Okay. So I have already have an account, so I'll go with sign in right now. So as soon as you start off, there's a tour which will help you to understand where the each and every sections are. Okay, so dashboard, all the strategies exist over here. You can have it. We have a charting tool. We can create a strategy over here and add a broker over here. So I'll just give you a. We'll start off first with the charting tool. So we have integrated trading view over here itself. So you can easily do your analysis over here. So let's say we kind of make this strategy like 15 minute strategy, or let's say 1 hour. Well, let's go for 1 hour. This is 1 hour candlestick you can have. You can do that your analysis over here and make the strategy from. So the simple strategy we going to be making is using an EMI, exponential moving average, EMA basically. Okay. So we use two of them. So one length is 5 and another would be 20. Yeah, this is the strategy. Like we'll buy over here and start selling over here. Okay. So let me create this strategy in our KU canvas. So this is EMA strategy. We'll basically position would be we can take long, short, and both. We'll start off with the both. Interval will be 1 hour. Candle would be candlestick. So now the way I added EMA over there. I'll add EMA and exponential moving average. I need 5. If 5 crosses above, then if 5 EMA crosses above 20 EMA, then I'll buy. Let's see. And similarly, if 5 EMA crosses below, we'll sell. So the best part of the cave is, as long as you keep on making a strategy, keep on adding the indicators, you can see a strategy over here on the left side. It becomes very simplified for anyone to understand how your strategy is. Like if I add more indicators, to start getting more difficult over here. So see, now using this particular visualization tool, it's very easy for anyone to understand what the strategy is. Like this is a simple strategy to understand. Right? For now, I'm just removing RSI. It's for simplified purpose, and we'll keep an stop loss of let's say 3 and take profit of 10. I can use trailing stop loss. Basically, trailing stop loss will help us if we are moving to, like, we are in a profit area, then the stop loss will keep on increasing. Okay, I'll go in detail in the next sessions, but this is just getting an overview of how it will be working. Okay, so I'll put trailing stop loss on. Now we can run the strategy on any stocks, but what I'll do is I'll start off with, let's say, AZC, Reliance, Asian Paint, basically Nifty 50 stocks, the good ones we are going for it. So it's a Kotak Bank, I'll go for 100 quantity, I'll go for delivery. Let's say I start off from let's say September. September would be a good time. Start from September and do till today, like yesterday, and I put, let's say, cash of 3 lakh. Okay, and let's backtest it. See, the already backtest has been ready. If you see, we already have got a PNL, we got a returns, we got very good returns at 23% of returns we got, and the number of trades which have been organized. So if I want to see more about it, how actually each stock has performed, so I can do a view backtest. I can come to know that this is the return. This is a return after taxes. The brokerage and taxes have been included. Then the total orders, basically orders which have been placed, number of wins, losses, winning streak, losing streak. Obviously, how many winning streak I had and how many losing streak I had. Basically, most of them were long only. The strategy was so that it just went long on every time on the long side. And the drawdown is little okay, but I think the SQN is very good because SQN gives a very good idea of how the profitability is. So this is the daily return. You can see actually how on each day it has performed. So on a particular day we have got something 11,000 also, 11,000 twice we have got, and if you see, losses are very minimal. We are not losing much of it. What another thing, very good thing is we have buy and sell graph, which actually tells you like when actually we bought and when we actually sold. So they have a very good idea, like did we capture all the trend which we had to capture. This gives a very good gesture of that. Then we have an equity curve. So equity curve actually tells how in this 3-4 months, how was my graph, like is it moving very much into a bullish side, the market was bullish and I got a very good profit over here. So this is where you come to know how is the equity curve. Okay. I'll move on to transactions. So each and every transaction which happened over there, you can come to know right here at which price it was bought, at which time, quantity, the cumulative PNL is given over here. Cumulative PNL with brokerage is also given here. So it's very easy for you to understand what's my brokerage and how much money I'm losing on the brokerage also. Okay. And these are the trigger types. So what we have done is trigger types, we have made it very simplified. So now if you say long buy, entry, this is long sell, exit. So it's easy for you to understand like when I'm exiting. So if this is a long sell, take profit. Okay, you can easily download the transactions and you can do your own analysis also on this. See, cumulative, all the transactions are available. Another important feature which we have is an optimization. So what we did is in the start, the stop loss and take profit was 3 and 10. So generally market assume like 3 and 10 according to risk to reward ratio. We put it up the number we want, but we are not sure that this is the best or this is the not. We don't know about it, right? So what I can do is I can give a start basically. I start from stop loss of 2. I go till 5. I want interval of 1. For this, let's say 5 and 12 and this. So it will run all the combinations of this and tell us that which is the best combination for stop loss and take profit. Okay, so let me run this. So basically it's running 28 combinations and telling you, see, now we had done take profit stop loss of 3 and take profit of 10, and that we earned something around 69 something around. I think this was the amount. And now with the stop loss of 4%, we are earning kind of better in a way. So if I go, you can actually view this also and come to know how many orders were there, wins and losses, winning streak, losing streak, everything you can come to know the same way, which were there in the backtest. So this gives a very good way of doing how can you optimize your particular stop loss and take profit. And it's very easy from here, it's very easy for you to merge this particular stop loss and take profit to your particular strategy. So let's say I merge, do you want to change stop loss of 4 and take profit of 10 to that particular strategy? If I say yes, all for that particular strategy, now we'll have the stop loss and take profit of 4%. You see, now if I edit it, it's 4% and 10%. So it's very easy for you to actually go and check this is a stop loss and take profit on it. Second feature, if you think over here that I want to make a new strategy out of it, I don't want to follow this particular strategy in itself, so I can create I can copy it new. Basically, I can create a stop loss to here and just make a new strategy, EMA, new stop loss. See, I got a new strategy and I have Kotak Bank over there. I can do an analysis the same way I want and I can get the profit. Okay. So this is how you can run backtesting optimization. So we have started with virtual trade. Virtual trade basically is it will be running in a live market, but with the virtual money basically. It's not a real money we are trading. So even that is very simple to do. I can just say run virtual. So I can change the quantity if I want to. I can make it 50, 500, whichever I want to. Order types remains the same, it would be delivery only. Strategy live, basically how many days I want the strategy to be exist. Like if you say 5 days, you don't have to restart the strategy on every day. It will automatically be running on each day for at least 5 days. So 5 days and strategy cycle. So basically how many trades do you want it to happen? Like if it happens 5 times, like buy sell 5 times, then I'll stop the whole strategy itself. So I want to keep it for 3 days and I can run it. Okay. So now actually market is closed, so it won't be working properly. Monday we'll try again and have a virtual trade on that. So this is a overall overview of the product, basically how you can make your strategy, backtest it, optimize it, and run it on the virtual market. So this is give a very good, easy and simplified way of do a algorithm trading or whatever. And this is why we made a queue to make it very simple for anyone to do trading for that. So now what we'll do